What is a membrane keyboard switch? A membrane keyboard switch is used to register keystrokes in a keyboard. It consists of multiple layers, typically 3, made of flexible materials like polyester or plastic. Top membrane layer contains conductive traces or contacts. Spacer layer, a thin layer with holes that separates the top and bottom membranes, preventing unintended contact. Bottom membrane layer also has conductive traces that complete a circuit when pressed against the top layer. When you press a key, the top membrane is pushed through the spacer to touch the bottom membrane, closing the circuit and sending a signal to the computer to register the keystroke. Consumer electronics used in devices like remote controls, microwave keypads, or other appliances requiring simple, durable input interfaces. Industrial applications found in environments where dust and moisture resistance is needed, as the sealed membrane design protects internal components. They're popular for their affordability and reliability. More information visit Cologne www.jcftechnology.com.